So this has been the mood of His Holiness Radhanath Maharaj, the way we should take shelter of the holy name when we chant these wonderful divine names. So yes, we were discussing about the challenges that we all are facing in the world today. But one thing is for sure, that along with the challenges, this pandemic, this coronavirus has also taught us very deep life lessons as well. We all are proud of our abilities, our achievements, our accomplishments, our accolades that we gather through all our hard efforts. But then this virus has affected practically all classes of men, irrespective of high, low, rich, poor, everyone without any discrimination. And this virus has truly proved our vulnerability, our insignificance, or probably I would say our inefficiency or our helplessness in its true sense. We all have realized how helpless we are, is it not? Where do we go? Even the fastest, speedest, quickest of all the commutes are still yet to become active. The strongest of the armies or the biggest of the economies, or the richest and the wealthiest of the countries, they are falling short to find out some solutions. Not only that, the biggest of the scientists and the doctors are still scratching their heads. They are just not able to figure out what exactly is happening, what exactly could be the solution to the problem that we all are facing together. We are yet to find the cure. The cure that is being offered is still symptomatic, still so superficial. And we all still are way behind. That's the power of this so apparently appearing invisible virus. So this virus has practically given us a glimpse of the power of material nature. What is the power of the nature that we are living in, and how helpless and how hopeless we can become. We can just fall at our knees, just begging and praying for some solution. It's quite interesting that that's how life is. Life is just like a roller coaster. Or I would say life is like a game of soccer. The football, the ball is being tossed, kicked from one end to another. Many a times it so happens with us also. We are being just thrown, tossed up and down. And it's not just one class of man, it's everyone. It's just one and all who all are going through this problem, this difficulty. Life is like a game of, a snake and a ladder? That was the game which we used to play when we were small. Nowadays, probably there are so many digital games that have come up. But I still remember that snake and ladder game. I'm sure our generations probably played that game. You are just going smoothly up, and suddenly, boom, you just come all the way down. The economy was booming, the businesses were going up, people were flourishing. All of a sudden, it's like a crash. And yes, all these terminologies we never heard. Sanitization. We never heard this. I never heard this word lockdown ever before. Or I never heard this word quarantine. Right? Probably someone who is from the medical background can be familiar with these words, but probably for the local public, the general public, it's just unfamiliar. I would like to take this opportunity to read out the prayer and an offering that was made by one of the devotees during this pandemic time. As I was saying before, although life has been, there has been a lot of struggle, a lot of challenges, but life has also taught us many deep lessons. And with these new jargon of words, sanitization, quarantine, or hand wash, or whatever, this devotee has written a beautiful offering to their lordships during this pandemic time. I would like to read out this offering, which conveys a very deeper meaning. How can we see things from the spiritual perspective even in the midst of such chaos? In fact, I would say, that nowadays there are these 2020 matches, which ends quickly, unlike those 50 over matches before. This 2020 over matches gets over very fast. But this year 2020 seems to be endless in a way that it's not ending only. Especially with the problem seems endless. Someone said during the lockdown, don't worry, this coronavirus is going to go very soon because it is made in China. So made in China product doesn't last long. But it seems that China also makes a genuine product. This product seems to be really long lasting. By the way, there are these stickers which say made in China. These stickers are made in Korea, by the way. These stickers which says made in China are actually made in Korea. That's the reason these stickers last long than the actual product. So definitely this year seems to be so endless. We don't see any shore coming nearby. But then we still have a lot of hope because these devotees, they bring us closer to Krishna. When we take shelter of Devotees Association and Holy Name, that's the time we feel truly sheltered. We can feel ourselves protected. It's like in a place where there is 40-degree temperature and we are just sweating profusely. All of a sudden you enter an air-conditioned room. It gives you such a relief, is it not? So although externally things are quite heated up, but still, we get into a space which truly gives us a lot of cooling effect. Coming in the association of devotee truly offers us that shade, that shelter, that protection. This devotee has written a beautiful poem, a beautiful offering. Because we are running short of time, we have lots to achieve. I'll just read out this poem. Let this be our meditation. So this offering begins. This devotee, by the way, this devotee who has written this poem, she is originally from China. We generally tag people, but it's not always. We tag countries, we tag people, we tag religion. But we all have good and bad. No one is completely bad. No one is completely good. All that we have to see, all that we have to learn is to see good. Seeing good even in this time of pandemic can truly bring us closer to Krishna. She writes, "May I be quarantined in the heart of Sri Sri Radha Madhav for the rest of eternity." As I said, we all are looking for shelter. Quarantine. Why do we go in quarantine? Because that offers us protection. We can be protected from the external contamination. We all are looking for that shelter. We are all looking for that protection. And when we truly take shelter of Lord's lotus feet, yet samashvitaye padapallava plavam mahat padam punya yasho murare bhavambudir vatsa padam param padam 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 yad vipadam natesham. Srimad Bhagavatam explains how there is danger at every step. But taking shelter of Lord's lotus feet is like getting quarantined in the heart of Sri Sri Radha Madhav. And then she says, "May they have me locked down beneath their reddish lotus feet for the rest of eternity, keeping me safe from the virus of illusion." Let this be our prayer, let this be our meditation for our next Kirtan, where we want to truly take shelter of Lord's lotus feet. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu says, even if I can get space at the feet of Lord Sri Hari, Sthita dhulir sadrusham vichintaya. Dust, even I can get a space of a dust particle at the feet of Lord's lotus feet, that is enough. That's perfection. And here, this beautiful offering. So these are like 10 meditations. I don't know how much we'll be able to cover it up, but we'll try to as much as possible. So let this be our meditation for the next Kirtan, where we seek true shelter at the divine lotus feet of Lord Sri Hari. We will have a small chant where we want to truly invite Sri Sri Radha Ramanji into our hearts. May we all request everyone to chant with us, and then we'll sing a small bhajan followed by a small talk. I hope it's not boring. I hope it's not sleepy, drowsy. I'm sorry if I'm too boring in my talk, but definitely all these instrumentals are here to keep us awake. Kindly join us for our next small chant for 5 minutes, where we invite Sri Sri Radha Ramanji. Jai Jai Radha Ramana Hari Bol. Jai Jai Radha Ramana Hari Bol. Jai जय राधा रमण हरि बोल। रमण हरि बोल। जय जय राधा रमण हरि बोल। जय जय राधा रमण हरि रमण हरि बोल। हरि जय जय राधा रमण हरि बोल। जय जय राधा रमण हरि रमण हरि बोल। जय जय राधा रमण हरि जय जय राधा रमण हरि बोल। 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 Raman Hari Bol. Jai Jai Radha Raman Hari Bol. Jai Jai Radha Ramana Hari Bol. Jai Jai Radha Ramana Hari Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Jayo Radhe, Jayo Radhe, Jayo Radhe, Jayo Shri Radhe. Jayo Radhe Shyam, Radhe Shyam, Radhe Shyam, Jayo Radhe Shyam. Nitai Gaur Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Gaur Hari Bol. Nitai Gaur Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Gaur Hari Bol. Nitai Gaur Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Gaur Hari Bol. Shri Shri Radharaman Dev Bhagavan Ki.
RG Media YouTube channel. Like, share, subscribe.